I think one of the most compelling areas in my mind is the opportunity around the mobile phone. That ecosystem in India is undergoing overhaul. Moving away from the telco-oriented model to more consumer-centric models. Interestingly, other large geographies globally have not had a need to solve problems in a mobile-first manner. So chances are, entrepreneurs out of India are going to probably create those solutions, and then those solutions will have a potential to scale out to the rest of the world. The other area that I think is compelling and will increase in importance is extending IT services down to medium and bottom of the pyramid. I think there is fundamental infrastructure being built, such as the Unique Identification Project, which will allow entrepreneurs to build solutions for the masses and have the distribution to be able to carry it to the masses. So, in the financial services space, I think that will have a massive impact because UID numbers are being given out with bank account numbers. I think public disbursement, that will be a big impact area. And increasingly in my mind in education and healthcare as other areas of impact. The way I think about it is, some entrepreneurs look at their idea as a technology innovation and hence what can I do with that innovation. Other entrepreneurs come at it by saying here's a problem in the market and is there a way of solving it, and if it uses technology, that's great. I have a little bit of bias towards the problem solution approach because getting the consumer need right is the most important element of this. So to me, the first step is, you look at the consumers and problems that they're facing without projecting your problems onto them. I think the second step then is to filter out and see which of those could be large problems. And again, there's a need to dissociate what is a large problem today versus where are the trends going. So, as entrepreneurs, we are much better betting on trends that are going to reinforce the problem that we are trying to solve rather than, time solving it. So if I were to, kind of look at digital media market versus print market, there's obviously a set of entrepreneurs who are saying, can I help, print media survive longer? And to me, that is inherently a less interesting problem than to say, how can I accelerate the adoption of digital media or ride on top of adoption of digital media? What new problems will get created if 40% of my advertising budget starts going to digital media? So, I'd like to play into the trend rather than against the trend, even though people who are trying to survive against that trend will always have a need and a help that they need. When we started JobsAt, I was trying to start a business for a couple of years before that, but I just did not have the right co-founder to do that with. I think what clicked for us was, shared goals. Both me and Puneet, my partner at JobsAt, had wanted to create a large business. We saw internet as the vehicle for doing that, and we were both kind of unrealistic enough to go and attempt something that seemed unreasonable. So, pretty much the factors that brought us together were to do with our, emotional fit rather than a common idea that brought us together. And I think that's extremely important when you're looking for a co-founder. You have to be able to, feel a sense of connect there, which brings you together. The idea is almost secondary in my mind. This also, somewhat interferes with the common notion that co-founders have to have complementary skills. I think by the time you are down to thinking about skills in context of a particular idea, you lost that common thread between the two or more co-founders. So, I tend to go, much more from, you have to think relatively in the same direction from an objective standpoint. It's great if you've got complementary skill sets, but, really, I have valued my co-founder experience more because of that connect and our ability to go through the upswings and downswings of the business together, rather than necessarily the complementary skill sets.